Neil, this page, all this is like only this date is important, that ICBN was first accepted in 1961. Apart from this, all these dates are not that much important, right?
Okay. Yes.
But yes, you must know the botanical name of potato and mango, because these are very common. You must know I think you might be knowing the zoological name of cobra, Naja Naja. For rat, it is Rattus rattus. For mango, it is Mangifera indica, right? So,
Yes.
yes, shall I scroll down?
Sure.
These are the rules. Again, these rules are not that important. Only the main thing is that the genus name must be written in capital and the species name must be written in italics and small letters. Only this point you must know, right?
Okay.
Now, if I come to International Code of Zoological Nomenclature, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature means, again, what are the rules for naming the organisms? Basically the animals, right? So the rules are not different. Again, the genus and the species name, genus name has to be written in capital and the species name has to be written in italics, right? Now, coming
Right.
to the classification, we won't go in that much detail. The most accepted classification, like see, one of the classification which usually comes in the exam, it is artificial, which was been proposed by Linnaeus, राइट एंड आर्टिफिशियल इज समथिंग जो हम ऊपर से देख करके उसको क्लासिफाई कर देते हैं. We don't go to the internal structures like, okay, it has two stamens, it has three pistils, it has two ovaries, something like that. So artificial classification is just given on the basis of morphological characters, and that is why we means artificial classification is never the standard one. Usually, you will study in your higher classes also, the natural classification is the highest. You tell me, you want to classify or you want to, whenever we judge the people, you like the people from your external experience that, okay, he's very good looking, okay. Or you will like the person if he has a good heart and he doesn't cheats to you. What kind of people we prefer?
Second one.
Yeah, so definitely, like in the classification, also there were various scientists. They said that, okay, we will study only the morphological characters of a plant or an animal and we will put them in a particular class or family. But it was not that much accepted. But again, since it was Carolus Linnaeus, so we can't deny him because at that time only he has given such a big system of binomial nomenclature. So he has divided the flowering plants into 23 classes, right? And only this thing you must know, that all the non-flowering plants, they are included in a class called as cryptogams. Please remember, right? Then the practical classification, again we don't have to do. See, नीट में इतना सारा सिलेबस है, हम सारा करेंगे तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. We have to be very smart that what is important, right? And we have to follow strictly that. Are you getting my point? So, now coming to the natural classification, complete morphological characters are studied. Complete. Maximum characters are taken. And this is why it is the best classification. For your NEET, you can get an exam question which is the best classification. So, natural classification is the best classification, right? Now, again, you don't have to go in that much detail, but you must know that in natural classification, we have two types of classification. One is formal and the another one is phylogenetic. Phylogenetic means in both the morphology and the phylogeny, they both are considered. Right, that how the evolution took place. Phylogeny means how the evolution took place. Right, like in the case of man also, there was a category like Australopithecus, it came first. Then we have Homo sapiens, we have Cro-Magnon man. We have so many evolution histories of humans also. So on this basis, the classification is given. So if I talk about the Charles Darwin, his species, this book is very important. आपको पता होना चाहिए origin of species किसने लिखी थी, चार्ल्स डार्विन ने लिखी थी। अर्नस्ट हैंकल ने कॉन्सेप्ट दिया था फाइलोजेनी का, इन्होंने सबसे पहले बताया था कि ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरी दुनिया, यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी नील?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, okay. So basically, Haeckel he gave the concept that it's not that all the organisms they came on the earth at one time. No, slowly and gradually, first we have the algae, then we have the fungus, then we have the bryophyta, then we have the pteridophyta, then we have the gymnosperms, and the most advanced plants which you find across us हमारे चारों तरफ present होते हैं, नीम का पेड़, पीपल का पेड़, बनाना का पेड़, right, रोज का पेड़. So all these are the angiosperms. यूजुअली आपको जिम्नोस्पर्म्स अपने चारों तरफ बहुत कम दिखेंगे. Usually, most commonly we find the angiosperm because this is how the evolution took place, right? साइकस वगैरह, साइकस और पाइनस देखने को तो मिलता है. पाइनस, you know पाइनस we eat also. Do you know?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, can you tell me the botanical name of the pinus which we eat? No. Okay.
Oh,
Do you know what is sabudana?
yes.
Sabudana. Yeah. So I would like to tell you that actually it comes under gymnosperms.
Oh,
Okay,
oh.
right. So this is just an example to tell you that actually every plant is important, but you might have not seen sabudana. आपने कभी देखा है साबूदाने का पेड़?
हाँ देखा है
देखा है? Okay, great. So that's why they all are important, and this is the chart which is showing you how the classification took place. Then in taxonomic categories, this sequence आपको हमेशा पता होना चाहिए. वैसे तो बहुत easy है. KDCO हम लोग ऐसे याद, देखिए किंगडम और डिवीजन में तो कोई कंफ्यूज नहीं होता, सबको पता है सबसे पहले किंगडम आता है, डिवीजन आता है, राइट? जीनस और स्पेशीज में भी कोई कंफ्यूज नहीं होता, सबको पता है आखिरी में स्पेशीज आता है और जीनस आता है. ओनली दीज आर द थिंग्स विच आर थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग. COF, पहले क्लास आता है, फिर ऑर्डर आता है, फिर फैमिली आता है, राइट? ये सीक्वेंस आपको हमेशा पता होना चाहिए. Then what you must know, this is the, I can say the trick that if something is having AC, ये कई बार नीट में पूछा जाता है, वो आपको बोल देंगे ब्रासिक AC. What does it identify? It identify the family, or it identify the order, or it identify the class. So you must know that if it is Brassicaceae, so it is basically the family, right? तो ये आपको
Yes.
पता हो. Again, I would like to give you two. Are you liking the class?
Yeah, teacher. Yeah, teacher.
You
I'm
are
liking the.
understanding, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I didn't have to write that ICZN. I've written the topic
ICZN,
name.
yes, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Okay.
No, no, I didn't have to write any points related to that.
No. But yeah, इसका full form you
Uh,
must know.
just can I write these 3 points?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Actually, in meat, like for sabudana, I told you sago palm and tapioca pearls. These are the various varieties of sabudana. So कई बार नीट में इसका botanical नाम आया है. So that's why I have written. You can write for sabudana. It is also called as tapioca pearls and sago palm. It belongs to Cycas revoluta, Cycadales,
Oh,
Cycas gymnosperm.
okay, I'll write.
Yeah. Then you can be asked that, do you know which part of sabudana do we eat? Like for potato, we say eat the stem part. For cabbage, we say we eat the leaves part of the plant, right? So sabudana ka which part do we eat?
Seed,
No, it's
roots.
a guess. Actually,
Sorry.
we eat the root of the sabudana.
Oh, yeah, sir. Could you scroll down?
Only and only one line is important in this page, that APD Candole is related to classification. कई बार ये साइंटिस्ट का नाम दे देते हैं और पूछते हैं कि ये किससे रिलेटेड है. तो ये क्लासिफिकेशन है, और आपको एम्पेरिकल क्लासिफिकेशन इज नॉट इन द सिलेबस. So only you have to write APD candle or the correct definition of biological classification. ये कई बार आ जाती है कि कैसे हम organisms को we identify them, we place them into groups, right? And how do we study the relationship, that is classification.
Okay. Yeah, sir. Done. Yes, teacher. Done.
Done.
Uh, yeah, teacher.
I don't think you have to note anything from here, right?
Okay.
कई बार ये हायरार्की आ जाती है जो कि मैंने आपको बताया. हायरार्की मीन्स द सीक्वेंस. They will use the term hierarchy. Either you
Okay.
can get it in the ascending order or you can get the things in the descending order, right?
Yes.
Then, if I talk about the species, John Ray, आपको again ये scientist का नाम पता होना चाहिए. He gave the concept of species. And Mayer, he proposed the biological concept of the species. टर्म रे ने दिया था, कॉन्सेप्ट मायर ने दिया था. Both the things very confusing, but you must know. According to Mayer, all the members which interbreed, they belong to the same species, right?
Yes.
So this thing you must know from here.
Oh,
Any problem till now?
no, no, teacher. No problem.
Okay. You want to continue for the next hour or no?
Uh, yeah. No, teacher. Can we do the 2 hour session tomorrow?
Yeah, no problem. It depends upon you only, right?
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Just 1 second. I wanted to ask, can I write down the suffix for data? Just
Here,
this concept, the hierarchy and the defining words at the end of it.
you want to write it?
If it's important, I'll write.
Hmm. Uh, yeah, it is important. I told you. You
Yeah, yeah.
might be
Can
asked.
I write
Suppose
it?
it is, yeah, you can write. If it is written Thallophyta, they can ask you that Thallophyta, it is what it is. You must know it is a division,
Oh,
right?
yes. Yeah, it's done.
Okay. So we will meet tomorrow, 1 o'clock, right? You can select one chapter which I have taught and any other chapter which you feel confident, right?
Okay.
2 chapters, 1 hour test, and then in the second hour we will continue with this chapter.
Okay. Okay. So, thank you.